There's some nice chicken in the woods. An oak tree. Yeah, that's some really nice yellow. Really bright yellow. Yellow and orange. It's the first time I found anything else besides. Of course, this isn't by my place. This is close to it, about 3 or 4 miles from it. Right along the road, I've seen them. They are really bright orange and yellow. I don't know if my camera's going to pick up how bright they are. Really nice looking mushroom. So he's got dirt on him from the tree. Of course, we're close to the road too, so. How nice the top of that is. I've never seen one, I don't think that colorful. I had to cut it up though. There is some, I see some bugs were in it by the tree. Let's see where I pulled it off the tree. But compared to some mushrooms, there's hardly nothing, no bugs in it whatsoever. It does need cut up though. That's a beautiful one. I got at least 5-pound mushrooms off the tree. You can see I left some of it on the tree. I don't know if I need to. I'm sure it'll grow back. Looks like some more growing up there actually. Oh, maybe not. But spore print, if you want a piece of this one, I'll send it to you. Just let me know if you want it. Here's a different tree about a mile away from the other one that I found. It's not near as yellow. I guess maybe because it's in the sun. Probably because it's in the sun, because I can see that and under there is a lot yellower. But the underneath is nice and yellow. I don't want to pick too much more than I can handle, so I'm probably going to leave this. I might take a piece of it if spore print wants it. I'll send it with the other piece. Big difference in color between the ones, which are seem real moist. These ones here are really moist. These are real dried. Not real dry, but drier. And also I think they were in the sunlight a lot more. But they almost seem like a different mushroom altogether. One thing gives them away is the underneath. Looks similar. This is just part of it. There's a whole lot more, but I left most of it back here on the tree.